Is there a better iconic duo like aloo and keema? If so, we certainly do not care as nothing complements the rich flavor of mutton keema more than creamy soft aloo. Using basic ingredients from home, we will make aloo keema bhuna with flavors that stick to your taste buds and leave you wanting more. First, to make this very tasty recipe, we need to give our mutton keema a very basic marination. For this, add some ginger paste and garlic paste, which are backbone of a good Indian style meat dish. Massage the keema well so that the flavors penetrate thoroughly, and then let it marinate for minimum of 2 hours. Next is our good friend potatoes, which we lovingly call aloo. Cut the potatoes into small cubes so that they cook quickly. Now, to make our aloo majestic, we will fry them in some refined oil in a kadhai. This will semi-cook the potatoes and give them some extra texture. Simply fry the potatoes over medium to high heat until they start to take a slight golden brown color. Once they are done, drain the extra oil in the kadhai and keep it aside for later. Now, to make the bhuna, use the same oil we fried our potatoes in. Temper the oil with a bay leaf and add some grated onions to make a robust base for the gravy. Fry the onions over a high flame until they start to caramelize and turn golden brown. Once our onions are ready, add our superstar, the marinated mutton keema, and fry over a high flame. Keep stirring constantly at this stage so the keema cooks uniformly and browns evenly. The Urdu word for fried is bhuna. It refers to the process of cooking rather than the type of dish where ingredients are fried at high temperatures to bring out their flavors. When the meat starts to release its juices like this, it's ready for the punch of spices. Spice it up with the turmeric powder, spicy red chili powder, coriander seeds powder, Kashmiri chili powder for the color, and garam masala. Now just simply stir and fry the masalas over high flame and cook the spices in the meat juices. As soon as the keema starts to stick to the kadhai, add freshly made tomato puree. Cooking the tomato puree with the masalas will give the gravy its signature bhuna flavor. Fry the tomatoes with the gravy until they start to release their oil. Then add salt for the seasoning and to melt the rest of the tomatoes. Give it a good stir, cover and simmer for 2 minutes. Wouldn't you look at that gravy? Isn't it appetizing? And here come the fried potatoes. Infuse the potatoes in the gravy, then rinse the blender in which you pureed the tomatoes and add the water to the gravy. Stir and make sure nothing is stuck to the bottom. Cover and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the potatoes are done. Your aloo keema bhuna is ready. Mash a piece of potato to check whether they are done. Take off the heat and finish it with a big dollop of desi ghee. Perfection! The keema whispers secrets of spices while the potatoes hug you like a long-lost friend. Serve it with fluffy naan garnished with some chopped chilies and coriander leaves. And please, if you love this recipe, smash that like button and give it a share. And until next time, happy cooking!